Completely unique and undeniably effective, the ABT Baby Buzzbird offers a new approach to topwater. Designed with two small yet turbulent buzz blades, the ABT Baby Buzzbird moves across the surface with a sputtering presence that predators won't be able to ignore. Tank tested to assure performance right out of the package, the ABT Baby Buzzbird is poured using a solid high-density urethane resin that possesses outstanding durability. At the rear, the ABT Baby Buzzbird is fitted with a super sharp fixed hook and a fiber weed guard, providing enhanced weedlessness, allowing it to move throughout the most tangled cover. Offered in a number of big bass colors, the ABT Baby Buzzbird delivers a one-of-a-kind topwater presentation that is sure to give your fish counts a boost.